future, my hope, all my sorrows, all my struggles, all my hopes. What will I do? I can't even register. Oh my God, if it doesn't oh my God.
In order to make a dirty beat for OsamaSon, we first need to find an aggressive lead that is capable of grabbing anyone's attention, regardless of what they're doing. Let's find another instrument to layer with this one. We're almost done, but I feel like we still need one more layer to help bring more energy to the lead. Now let's export that shit, so that we can hear how it all sounds like playing together, just like a bunch of children in the playground.
FBI, open up!
Okay, that's sounding good, but we still need to work on a counter melody for variation. Since OsamaSon's beats usually have some weird high-pitched sounds on them, we have no choice but to find some weird shit that goes well with the beat. Now that we're done with the instrumentation, let's work on some hard-hitting drums that are stronger than most relationships these days.
Okay, so I unblocked the other guy, and then he told me that he wanted to come see me to talk about things, but then we ended up doing other things.
Take some deep breaths.
Okay, let's lay down a Fire 808 that is capable of starting a war.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always!
Let's add some effects on that shit. Distortion, EQ, and a compressor.